Hi friends, today I will show you how to enable community features on Discord. To do this, go to your server settings by clicking on the server name at the top left and clicking on server settings. Scroll down until you see the Enable Communities tab, then click Get Started. You will need to enable the settings for verified email required and scan media content from all members. Click on Next, select the Guidelines and Rules channel. Then select the Community Updates channel. This will be for Discord to send you updates on how community on any changes to the community feature. Then click on Next, scroll down and select I agree and understand and click Finish Setup. As you can see, community settings have been enabled. For now, you can change your onboarding settings. You can see your server insights, or you can go to the overview. You can also see that the Welcome and Rules channel has a new icon next to it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe.